Uh, Hello, welcome back to our podcast, the podcast that turns your travel dreams into detailed journeys. Today, we're stepping into a real life painting, the world of Claude Monet, in the village of Giverny, France. If you ever wanted to walk through a water lilies painting, this is the place. So, just about 45 minutes northwest of Paris lies the enchanting village of Giverny, a little corner of Normandy where time slows down and beauty takes center stage. Claude Monet, the father of Impressionism, made Giverny his home for over 40 years, and it's here that he designed and painted his most iconic works. You can visit Monet's Fink House with green shutters, lovingly preserved and open to the public from April to November. Inside, you'll find his blue sitting room, his sunny yellow dining room, and his kitchen filled with charming blue tiles. Look closely and you'll see walls adorned with Japanese prints. Monet adored them, but the real magic begins the moment you step outside. The front of the house opens to the Clos Normand, a garden that explodes with color in spring and summer. Tulips, roses, irises, and poppies bloom in orchestrated chaos, just the way Monet planned. The flower beads are thick with movement and texture, a living impressionist canvas. Then, through a tunnel under the road, you'll reach the water garden, home to the famous Japanese bridge covered in wisteria, and of course the water lily pond. This garden was completely designed by Monet and it's inspired more than 250 paintings. Standing there, you feel like you've stepped inside his brush strokes. So, what want to visit? Here's how. Take a train from Paris Saint Lazare to Vernon. It's about 45 minutes ride and costs roughly $15 each way. From Vernon, catch the shuttle bus or a quick taxi to Giverny. Entry to the house and gardens is around $13 USD. Plan to go in late April through June for the best bloom or in October when the crowd's thin and the garden turns golden. And Instagram lovers, listen up. The Japanese bridge is best shot early in the morning before the tour buses arrive. Use portrait mode to focus on blooming flowers with Monet house blurred behind. And don't skip the side angle of the pond. That's where the reflection hits just right. A souvenir tip, the on-site gift shop was water lily themed notebooks, silk scarves, and even replicas of Monet palette. Bonus, they ship internationally. Local trivia, did you know Monet hired 7 gardeners, including one just to dust the lily pads before painting them? Um, Whether you're an art lover, a garden enthusiast, or just craving a peaceful escape, Giverny is a gentle reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones we paint into existence ourselves. That's all for today on this podcast. If you like this episode, share it with a friend and leave us a review. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I would like to hear from you all guys soon. Whatever you want or request to um, add for our next podcast. It helps others find their way to beauty, one destination at a time. Until next time, keep wondering.